Today we're looking at how to make money on Complete Autopilot. So in this video I'm going to share with you 3 methods that I use myself, and I'm also going to show you how to set these up very quickly. Now if you're looking for a lazy way to make money online and from home without absolutely any effort, then keep watching, because by the end of this video you'll know how this works, how to set this up, and more importantly, how much money you can make. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're looking at how to make money on Complete Autopilot, and that basically means we literally do nothing and yet we earn money from home and online. And I completely appreciate that you might be thinking, well, this sounds like utter nonsense, and you may be a skeptic, and believe me, I was too. However, on this channel and over on the blog that you can see on the screen, I trial and test things, and I also share my results. So in this video I'm going to share with you 3 different methods that I'm currently using to make money online hands-free. I set these up once and they run on Complete Autopilot. I'll show you exactly how they work, I'll share with you my earnings, and what we'll do is we'll start with the lower ones first and we'll work our way up to the best one at the end, because if I started with the end one, you'd probably stop watching the video straight away. So first, let's just start on automated income number 1. And again, I do nothing for this. So let's jump over here and I'll show you this right now. So if I come over here, you can see I am over in the Amazon Associates account, and this is for the last 7 days. Now I've got a couple of accounts on here, and this is one of them where I literally don't do a thing. So in the last 7 days, I've earned $19.24. Now you can see on here, today's date is the, well, it's what is that, 10 to 1 in the morning, so it's 26 essentially. So yesterday I earned $3.09. The day before, I earned, oh, that's barely worth mentioning. The day before, $3.71, $5, $5.76, and $1.34. Now, literally, for this, I haven't done a thing in months to earn this amount of money here. I set up a system and it runs on Complete Autopilot, and I'll show you how I do this right now using a piece of software. And look, if I'm going a bit too quick for you, please don't worry. Below in the description box, I'm going to drop links to everything that we're going to be covering. I'll drop links to my blog articles where I share my earnings and much more for you. So this amount of money here, these are commissions, and basically I've sent people over to Amazon and they've purchased a product or multiple products, and I've earned some pretty, well, not pretty decent commission. I've earned some commissions, but it's pretty good because I've literally not done anything for this. So how did I earn money from Amazon affiliates? Well, if I come over here, this is a piece of software and it's called Yive. Now inside of here, on the left hand side here, I'm on campaigns. Now you can see on here, there is a choose campaign type. This is an Amazon campaign. So I set up one of these Amazon campaigns, and once you set it up, it just runs on autopilot. Now inside of this software here, there's lots more stuff in here. There is, step-by-step guides for this, like how to make money with not just Amazon, but lots more, like working with local clients, YouTube automation, and many more. But if I click on Amazon, I'll show you how this works. I'm going to click on next step. Please, oh sorry, I've not given it a title. YT example. And I've just noticed I had caps lock on, but it doesn't matter for this quick video. So I'm going to click on next step, and it's going to take me here. So look, type 1 Amazon campaign. On here I've got to fill in products, then customize, and then schedule, and then this is it done. So on here I choose the region. So this is over on Amazon, which region am I focusing on? So obviously you would choose your country or a country you're targeting, so we'll leave it as Amazon.com. The next part is we want to search for products. Now with this, I do not focus on products on Amazon which are like $10 or $12. I try and tend to focus on products which are over $100, and the reason being is the fees that you can earn from Amazon, they're pretty low. They vary between like 1% up to 5%, and that's like on the high end. So in here we would look for products with like I said, with a decent amount of money. So TVs are normally good ones. Let's just go with smart TV. Sorry, I've still got my caps locked the wrong way around. Smart TV. And I'm going to click on search. And then what's going to happen here is the software is going to go ahead, and you can see on here, look, so it's currently found 14 products. Now in here, it goes ahead and it goes onto Amazon and it pulls out all of the top rated products for your keyword. So we've put in smart TV and you can see this video here, this product here, this LG E9 has currently got a rating of 4.8. We've got 4.9, 4.8, etc, etc. So I'm just going to leave these clicked on again. So you can go through and you can click on any of these that you want in particular. And if you scroll down the page here, you can click on load more and it'll, funnily enough, load more products related to the keyword. And you can go through and you can select them all and go through. But you can see these appear, you'll earn some pretty decent commissions for these. So once you go ahead and you're happy with these videos here, we click on save and go to the next step. So I'm going to click on there. And then it takes me through the next one. Now basically what this software here does, it creates videos for us from the Amazon reviews. So anyone who's put a review on Amazon, it will pull in the review into here, and then we just literally create videos for this. Marketing, so this isn't going to create, a blockbuster video. It's not going to create something absolutely awesome. It's mass video marketing, but it does the job for us, because once we set this up, this software here can pump out hundreds and thousands of these videos related to the original product that we're looking for. So on here, you've got a couple of options. Slides per video. So how many slides do you want to be included in your video? You can see 15 to 20. You can make it bigger or smaller if you like. And then you can also select the duration per slide. So again, you can drag it and drop it wherever you want. So based upon these settings here, this video will last around 2 to 5 minutes. If I then scroll down here, you can have this, you can add animated text overlay if you want to. You don't have to, you can simply click on here if you don't want it. Then you've got an audio option, so you can voice this over with just background music. You can see here we've got background music, voiceover only, or background music. So whichever one you want to go with, you can simply click on any of these. If you want to include text-to-speech, the software includes Amazon Polly, and it also includes Google Voice. And if you click on here, you've got all the different languages available as well. And you can listen to samples in here. Now in here, you've got outro text. So you can see here, click link in description for more reviews. This is whereby we put our Amazon affiliate link. And then you've got a couple more options on here. You can, you can mess around with this if you want. You can have an outro background color, and you can play around with this, and also your text. But I just normally leave this as it is and click on save and go to next. And then we're nearly done with this. And then this will just create hundreds of these videos. So we've got distribution. So auto upload videos automatically or do this manually. Well, I'm literally doing it automatically. So I'll click on there and then scroll down here, and then you've got select to YouTube channel. So in here, you would add this to, different YouTube channels that you've got. So you can see on here, I've got an affiliate marketing one, I've got an Amazon one, and then I've got lots more different affiliate, different YouTube accounts in here. So I'm just going to click on this one. And then we've got upload interval. So upload interval in minutes. So basically, this software will upload videos depending on how long you put in here. So I've left this one here at 60 minutes. We've then got the Amazon associate tag, which is basically your affiliate ID. And don't worry, all of this here is included in these training videos down here for you. And then scroll down the page, you've got a couple more things here. You've got a call to action, and then you can include like a description before. So let's say you were saying, if we was doing something on like say the top 10 best smart TVs, then we'd just put that in here. And then you can also have a description after your affiliate link down here as well. So you would include that, and then scroll further down the page here. We've got an Amazon affiliate disclosure, which has already been done for us. If you want to include thumbnails, you can upload your own, or you can literally just click on auto, and you can see on here, look, Yive will randomly pick an image from the video as a thumbnail for you. Scroll further down the page, how many videos per day do you want to be uploaded to your different channels, and you can select as many or as little as you want. I wouldn't recommend any more than say 5 or 6 a day. And then scroll further down the page, render automatically, so we'll leave that unticked, and then you can play around with this if you want, but I mean again I just leave this off, and then I just click on save campaign, and this will start your campaign immediately. And then what will happen is this software here, it will create hundreds of videos for you related to the best smart TVs that we've picked off Amazon. And as you can see over here, it works pretty well. So $19.24 in the last 7 days, and all I've done is I've come in here, I've set up a couple of these different campaigns around different keywords, and then I just literally click on save campaign. Once I click on that, it'll then start creating the videos automatically for me, and it will upload them onto YouTube. So it's pretty simple, it's very easy. As you've seen, it doesn't take long at all, and it's hands off. So go through, set up your campaigns, and then just click on save, and then they'll just run automatically for you. Now you can use this with Amazon, you can use this with like ClickBank products, affiliate products, and lots more different ways that you can make money with this software. So that is the first way that I make money completely hands-free, and again I'll drop a link to that below for you. The next one we're going to look at is an article that I released a couple of days ago, which was over here. Let me jump onto this article here for you, which is this one here. Now this is called How to Make Money with Automated Websites. Very simple, and again I'll put a link to this below for you. So how this works is, I got access to this software. Well, I didn't get access to it. I bought this software in October of last year, and I set it all up in December. And then this article here, you can see it walks through the entire process. I share how many clicks I'm getting, how much money I've earned, and I've got a video on here walking you through the entire process. And it genuinely is simple. And the process again is we go through, we set this up, and then it runs on Complete Autopilot. So let me jump into one of these websites and I'll show you how this works, because again there's a number of ways that you can make money with this, but once you've set this up you don't have to touch it, it just runs on autopilot. And what this is, if I come up here, I'll show you this. So what happens is we find an affiliate product in a certain category or a niche. So for example, over here you can see this is going onto YouTube and it's finding a channel related to fitness and weight loss. And then what the software does is it takes all of these videos here and it imports them into a blog or a website here, and you can see how it looks. But you can include your own affiliate links in here, and it works incredibly well. So let me jump into one that I set up a couple of days ago and I'll show you exactly how it looks and how all of this works. So let's go over here and I'll show you the first one. So this is a website I'm currently in the middle of setting up, and these take about 20 or 30 minutes to set up. This one I did a YouTube video on this yesterday showing you how to set all of this up. And if you want literally a walkthrough of this, there's a link below, it'll take you to this article here and everything's explained for you. But on here I just need to put on a banner and another banner. But what happens here is I went ahead and I found a product over on ClickBank. And it was about how to get your ex back, and it was in the dating niche. Then I went onto YouTube and I found channels which were creating content around, getting your ex back. And literally you set it up, and then what happens is anytime one of these channels releases a video, it imports that video over into your blog or your website. And in here you can include your affiliate links. So from the YouTube channel, it brings in the video for you, it brings in the title, it can also bring in the description, but you can edit the description if you don't want it, or if you want to, get rid of that. It also includes article spinners, and there's some other cool features within inside of the software. So this is one website, and I've just got to do a couple more edits to this, and then this will be done. I'll show you this one over here. This was the first website that I set up as a test. You can see I've got my ads down here, and then I've also got all of my videos coming in, and then I've scrolled down to the bottom, I've also got random posts, most viewed, and also recent. But why I love this method is you literally, again, you set it up and then you find different products and different channels, and it just runs on Complete Autopilot for you. And let me share with you some actual results. So if I come over here, this is inside of Bitly, and you can see here when I created these links. So today's date is the 27th of January. So this one here was set up on the 3rd of January. I've currently had 53 clicks. Now you can see on here the days when I was getting clicks over to different affiliate products down here. So I'm getting clicks on this every single day, and the great thing about this is I've set it up once and it runs on Complete Autopilot. See this one down here? 121 clicks. I set this up on the 29th of December. Now for whatever reason on this day I had 41 clicks over to this affiliate product, and then go along here you can see, look, 2, 3, 3, none on that day, 1 there, 5 there, 5 there, and 1 there. Now this product here I earn a $1,000 commission for this. So I've had 121 clicks in less than a month, and I'm not doing anything for this. It runs on complete autopilot for me because I've got a product. I've set up a website for this, which is importing content from YouTube every single day for me related to the product. And it's just an absolutely awesome way to make money. So you can see I've got this one over here. I've also got this one here, and I've got numerous more. And I'm setting up some of these websites like every 2 or 3 days. As I've mentioned, it takes 20 or 30 minutes to set up one of these websites. You include your affiliate links inside of here, and then it just runs on autopilot for you. And this article here, it just walks through the whole process. It shows you how it works, setting it up, and then basically getting everything up and running. So I'll drop a link to this below for you. Everything's included here for you. I also shared a couple of different ways that you can make money with this software. So that's the second way that I'm making money on complete autopilot. So set and forget, and it's up and running. And then finally, the third method I'm going to share with you is my favorite and the best method in my opinion, and it is this one over here. Now this one here is going back to June of last year, and I first went ahead and did this article and shared some of the results over on my blog. Now this here is automated Forex trading, and yeah, I'll drop links to this blog article below. You can feel free to go ahead and check this out. Now ultimately, I mean, this here, there's an interview in here with the software creator and lots more, but basically we'll share results. So I started with $1,000 deposit on the 16th of June 2020, and then I share every single day. So day 1, day 2, and basically I'm not going to spend all time going through all of these, but if I scroll further down, I'll just show you week 4 results. So basically I earned $579 in 4 weeks. So it averaged at $28.95 every single day, well, Monday to Friday, in the first 4 weeks of using this software with $1,000 investment. And then fast forward to today, I am earning a hell of a lot more money because basically what I've done is I allowed the profits to compound over time, and I've taken out little bits here and there to, you know, buy like some niche blogs and some other bits, but ultimately it's still going very well. I use it, I recommend it, and what I love about it is you go through the process, you set it up, and then it runs on complete autopilot for you. Now everything is explained in this blog article here. You can, like I say, go through, have a look at this, read it, and then I also shared, where is it? I also shared, an update as well. So I did an update on this and I shared some more results on there, and basically everything to do with this. So this piece of software here, I'll just share with you. It comes with a Facebook group and some other bits, so you can see it's not just my results. So here's somebody, this was posted, as you can see, 1 hour ago. Short version is they've earned $34.80 on complete autopilot. Let's come a bit further on the page. This is Julius, he's one of the creators. I have been in for 7 days and have already seen 10% profit in my investment. Come further on the page, the day's not over, this person here, I won't even attempt to say that name, has got 2 accounts. You can see account 1, they've earned $45, account number 2, they've earned $42. And look, here's somebody else, constant passive income, today they've earned $121, and like I said, I'm not going to spend much time going through this because you can go ahead and check this out yourself. There's not just me who's making money with this. There's lots of people. I've been trialing and testing this since June of last year. This is the easiest way to make money online by literally doing nothing. Now, if I just jump back over here, so like I say, I'll drop a link to this blog article below for you. This walks you through the entire process. It shares all of my results every single day, and then there's also the interview on here and how to set this up and lots more. But overall, this is without a doubt my favourite method to make money online, other than affiliate marketing and, you know, YouTube obviously. But those there are 3 ways that I'm making money online doing nothing. So I've done the work once, I've set this up, and now it just runs on complete autopilot for me. So if you found this video useful, please give it a like. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. But look, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.